Friends, I am Surendra Doshi from Pune, state of Maharashtra, India. I am going to speak on a special topic in view of COVID-19 situation. The title of the topic is O Humankind, Awake, Arise and Do It Right Now. This is the title of the topic. Over the last few weeks, the entire world community is going through a turmoil on account of invisible enemy called COVID-19. This enemy has crossed all the frontiers of race, religion, color, gender, rich and poor. Each section of the society has been badly affected. The humankind is going through a tremendous fear psychosis. The very existence of humankind is in danger. All the institutions of faiths and religions have been shut down. But in this chaotic situation, one thing is sure, that is, humankind is trying to save the other humankind. They are taking their own risk to save their brothers and sisters in this calamity. This has happened in the past too. Hence, the time has come to appreciate the efforts of the humankind. In COVID-19 situation, the humankind has to observe and practice a new lifestyle. It is known as new normal life. At the same time, they will have to change the perception towards life. They have to accept that the true God is humankind. Unfortunately, in this situation, nobody can dare to ask the question to divine Almighty to save the humankind from the brink of survival. Hence, it is proved beyond doubt the true God on the planet is humankind. The true religion of humankind is humanity. Hence, the time has come to embrace a new religion known as religion of humanity. This religion of humanity is the religion promoted by humankind for the welfare of the humankind. There will not be any discrimination based upon the gender, caste, creed, religion, race, or territories. This religion will relentlessly work for the peace and prosperity of the humankind. At the same time, this religion will endeavor at its best to save the mother nature. At this juncture, the world is also facing the crisis of ecological degradation. Hence, this religion will promote peace and prosperity of the humankind, and at the same time it will protect the mother nature. Hence, I appeal to all humankind to embrace and practice the new religion of 21st century and future for their peace and prosperity. In my next lecture, I am going to explain to you further about the principles of religion of humanity. Thank you.